spout is realized the welding to the die pack on this manual welder. And to realize the welding, there are 4 main factors to control. The first is temperature, and we turn on the temperature to press the pedal. The temperature. This is the temperature. Yeah, temperature. One for the lower mode part, and one for the upper. The other mode part. You can see it is heating. The second factor is pressure. The pressure is showing on this table. You can see on this table. And the pressure for the present is not more than 0.2. We need to adjust the pressure against the die pack material, the thickness and the final purpose. I'm going to show you later. The third factor is the time needed. That means the time here is 1 second. That means when the two parts for the move connect each other, yeah, welded on the die pack, the time for the period, for the welding period is 1 second. 1 second. I'll show you. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. And the fourth and the most important factor is the mode. To realize the good welding, the mode is the most important part. As there are different spouts. You can see this black one, and this is the nature color spout, and this is the black spout. For these two spouts, they are of different type. This mode is suitable for this nature color spout. You can see we need to check the spout and the mode whether they match, whether they matches. Oh, 太热了。